Hi, I want to show off my pairs of Albino Cockatiels. It looks like one of the pairs was getting it on. Look at that male. Look, that's one of my A1 male. That one right there. Then the other one is over there sitting down in the back. All these pairs that I have here, except that one with the white face, those three pairs are A1. Big birds, big size, big. I choose those from the 28 pair that I had before. Those, look, you saw that? Look at that bird. Look at how big he is. You see that? That's a big bird. Those are big cockatiels. Those three pairs are big, and it looks like maybe a couple of them are laying eggs over there. I see that they're sticking out. And number 7. Yeah, these are my number 1 pairs of albinos. Except that one, that pair there. I didn't have another case, so I said, okay, I'm gonna put you guys inside, but the rest, the 3, are big birds, choose by me from the 20 pair that I have. Look at the tails, how long they are. And it's hard to find albino cockatiels that are big, like big size, big crest. Look at them. Look at him. Look at that one. I don't know. Maybe the sun is shining in my eyes. I don't know if I'm getting it good, but he got something in the eyes. I guess he got a scratch or something. Yeah. And the side of the eyes, I'm gonna have to get him and put something in there. You guys see those over there? Look at the tail, how big it is. How long. Alright, I'll see you guys later. I will post more videos. I just wanted to show my pairs here in the back. Albino cockatiels. Soon we're gonna have more babies from them.